Welcome back to Rolling with Stone. Today I'm going to show you guys how I color and style my hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So basically I use three colors: clear, baby blue, and this is by Adore, and lavender, which is by Adore as well. So what I'm going to do is pour the whole bottle of clear, because basically we want it light, and then put a little bit of blue. Mix it together so I get this sort of light blue, but I want to go a little bit more intense than this, so I added more. And so this is about how deep I want that blue. I put a little bit of lavender in there because when it fades, it turns a greenish color. But by adding the lavender, when it fades, it looks like a nice, pretty soft blue. So basically that's what the lavender was for. So I'm just applying the color all over the head, making sure every part is saturated. You don't want to miss any parts. And then I let it sit for 30 minutes. So now I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. And once it's rinsed out, I'm using Nairobi foam to mold my hair down. And then I'm using some wrapping strips just to make sure everything stays down tight and flat. And then I'm going to sit up under the hair dryer for 45 minutes. So now it's completely dry. So using the Nairobi, it's like a hair cream, almost like a grease. It's like a curling grease. I put that all over for shine, and then I use the Care wax stick, and then I spray some hairspray. And that's just going to make this style hold, you guys. And using my small 1/2 inch flat iron, I am going to basically flat iron my entire head. And you guys can basically see I'm doing it kind of like in an upward over motion because I usually wear my hair kind of messy. There's really no rhyme or reason or particular way I go. I just kind of every time kind of do it different. But yeah, so I'm just making sure every part is flat ironed, and I just kind of go up and over. Adding a little bit more of that wax as I go on parts where I feel like it feels a little dry. I'll put a little bit more wax just to ensure that those areas have as much hold as the front.
Patricia, mon petit, je voudrais pas te paraître vieux jeu ni encore moins grossier. L'homme de la pampa, parfois rude, reste toujours courtois, mais la vérité m'oblige à te le dire, ton Antoine commence à me les briser.
So now I'm still taking a little bit more of that wax stick and kind of putting it on my fingers, and I'm just kind of like styling it, like finger styling it, just to give the style a little bit more shape. And that's it, you guys. Pretty simple. Nothing too major. Like I said, I wear it kind of messy, and a couple of days after this it really looks really dope because it's like that super messy look. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, thank you for rolling with Stone.